All right, how's it going? It's Saturday today. I've got a rare Saturday off where I'm not out photographing a wedding. So I'm just in the office doing some editing, and I'm also just about to set up the studio for Monday's headshots. So I'm currently running on about 5 hours worth of sleep in the last 60 hours just because of really bad night's sleeps, in all honesty. So I thought, what better of a video to make today than to talk about productivity. And I've got two things that I use that help me keep focused and also keep my energy levels up as well. All right, so this is the first one I want to talk about. This is called Space Goods. This is like a chocolate drink, but it's made with loads of mushrooms in there. So like lion's mane, cordyceps, other stuff, everything off The Last of Us, really. This came with a free cup. I'll be honest, I was just totally sold on the free cup, so ended up getting this as a bonus. And I wasn't sure if this was going to work. This isn't like sponsored or anything, by the way. I wasn't sure if this was going to work, and then I took it, and I did just seem to get loads of work done. I wasn't like buzzing, I wasn't tripping or anything like that. It was more that I was just focused, and whenever I take this on a morning, because I just take this every morning now, and I think if I'm in the right time, in the right mindset when I've took this, I do just seem to like kind of get in the zone and just blast through my workload. I have been told that I'm a cult's wet dream, by the way, so take everything I say with a pinch of salt because I literally buy into everything. But I do kind of feel that this does work. So this is what I use for focus now. And like I say, you're not tripping out of your head or anything like that. It's just that you just seem to focus that little bit more. Kind of narrows your vision into doing what you need to do. That's the best way I can describe it. It kind of just puts, what do you call it, blinkers on you, so that you're thinking, you just focus on what you need to do basically, and you do just smash through your tasks. I found it does work for me. So that is what I use for focus anyway. And plus, free cup. That's why I bought it. And secondly is this stuff. This is Sneak. So I'm actually an affiliate with these. I applied to be a part of the affiliate program, and because of the audience that I've grown, I got into it. I was buying this and using this before I applied. And this is basically just a caffeine drink. I was spending a fortune on like Red Bulls and Monster, and I bought this to try it out thinking I'll give it a go. And it just works. Don't get me wrong, it is a lot of caffeine in this. I only take half a scoop. I don't take a full scoop because the first time I took a full scoop, I felt like I was vibrating and I could see the future. So I take half a scoop of this and it works out so much cheaper than buying cans of Red Bull and buying cans of Monster Energy. And by taking half, it lasts longer. And then when I actually joined the affiliate program as well, I got like £50 credit, so got a shaker. I think I'm just a sucker for like a free cup. But I used my credit, I got the shaker, and I got another tub, and I got the cola flavour, and I tell you what, it actually tastes nice as well. I know it's like, everything's like a little bit tart and tangy, isn't it, when it's like a caffeine energy drink, but this stuff, it's easy to drink. But again, I am affiliated with these. They haven't sponsored me to say this, but I do think this works. But I am affiliated, so I don't take that energy drink every single day. That's just like if I've got a long commercial shoot, or if I've got a late night at a wedding, or a long dance floor, or a long drive home. That's when I'll take a shaker and I'll just use that energy drink during the day like that. Again, none of this is sponsored. Buy it, don't buy it, I don't care. I just wanted to make a video about what I do for productivity, what's helped me in my business, and what helps me get my work done. Here, seen this, by the way. Shotton's Kitchens in the Northeast sorted me out with proper big, decent offcut of kitchen worktop, so that if I'm doing some food photography here in the studio and I want to do some looking down shots and I want it to look like we're actually in the kitchen worktop. That's it for me now. I'm off home. I'm gonna go and sit in the garden and maybe have a beer because it's got absolutely beautiful outside, and I do not want to be sat in this studio all day. I am back in here tomorrow, so I'll be putting another video up. And then Monday I've got a headshot session, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of behind the scenes. It's for some fighters, so that's exciting. Might get knocked out. So I'll see you then. I love you, bye.